What's up, YouTube? Kabayan back again. Got this 2011 Tiguan. It's got a misfire 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a random. That's where you're getting your random. Doing a smoke test. Look at where it's leaking. See that? Probably got a bad seal on the inside. I'm not sure if you can service it or you replace the whole thing. I believe that's the it's the actuator. So there you go. When you got a turbo, any kind of leak is going to cause a running problem. That's just what I've learned throughout the years. Any kind of leak. Hope this helps.